Hello KG3, how are you? Hope you are doing well. Miss you so much. Today we are going to remember this lesson. It's about addition. Do you remember the addition? Oh, this addition sign thinks that you have forgotten about him. Is he right? Or are you studying at home? Oh, let's see. Now he's really excited. He wants to play with you and refresh your minds. Do you remember this adding machine? We call it adding machine because we add things inside this cup, which is here, it has a hole, and we add other things inside this hole. And then we have all the things here gathered inside this box and we count them all together. Do you remember this? So when we add together, we call it plus. And when we count them all together, we call it equal. Now let's remember this one and try this. We are going to add inside this box, inside this cup, 3 red balls. And inside this cup, we are going to put 2 yellow balls. So, how many balls do you think we are going to have inside the box? So here we have put 3 balls, and here we have added 2 balls. Now we are going to count all together. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 balls inside this box. So 3 plus 2 equals 5. That's right. So now, how many balls do we have here? It's very easy. Of course, it's 1. And here it's 2. And now, let's do this addition. 2 plus 1 equals. Do you remember what we used to do? We used to either count all the things together or we put the greater number on my head and the smaller number on my fingers. Let's see. Which number is greater? 2 or 1? Where do you see more balls? Under the number 2 or under the number 1? It's under the number 2. Very good. So number 2 is greater. So I put number 2 on where? On my head. And number 1, where do I put it? On my fingers. Very good. 2 on my head, 1 on my fingers, 2, 3. That's right. We count 1, 2, 3. Now, how many shoes do we have? We have this side 3, 1, 2, 3. And this side we have 2, 1, 2. 3 plus 2. Which number is greater? Where do you see more shoes? Under the number 3 or under the number 2? Under number 3. Very good. So 1, 2, 3. It's greater. 3 on my head. 2 on my fingers. 3, 4, 5. Let's see. Let's make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's right. This is number 5. So 3 plus 2 equals 5. What do you see here? I have 3 blue helmets And how many white and red helmets do I have? 4. Which number is greater? 4 or 3? 4, of course. And where do I put number 4? On my head. 4 on my head, 3 on my fingers, 4, 5, 6, 7. Very good. 7. Let's see. Let's count them all together and make sure that all of them are 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is right. So 3 plus 4 equals 7. How many dogs do I have? I have 6 dogs. And how many cats do I have? 7 cats. That's right. So, which number is greater? 7 or 6? It's 7, of course. So 7 on my head and 6 on my fingers. Show me number 6 on your fingers. 7. What comes after 7? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That's right. So let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. It's 1 and 3. So 6 plus 7 equals 13. Oh, look at his face now. Mr. Addition is really proud and happy because he thinks now that you have remembered everything. And look at him. He has one more thing. He's asking you one more thing to do. But now you are going to do them by yourselves. He has one long list of addition, but he has chosen only these few additions for you to do alone. And of course, you are going to ask your mom if you have done them right. So at home, you have to do them. 4 plus 1 equals. Which number is greater? So we have to count. Okay. 8 plus 6 equals 5 plus 8 equals 9 plus 1 equals 6 plus 3, and the last one is 3 plus 6. So you only have 6 equations to solve. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we are looking forward to talking to you next time. I was really happy today because I think that you have remembered very well everything we have studied in the class. Stay safe and wear your masks wherever you go.